Okay, we're here at the IKEA store in Elizabeth, New Jersey. This is going to be their elevator. There's actually two elevators here. This one and that one, but that one's out of order. And here's my sister. Yeah, there's actually a second elevator over there. Yeah, that's out of order. We'll just go take a quick ride on that one.
David said this is...
Yeah, this is the only one active right now because number one just broke down.
No, it's out of order. And then David went like this on a phone.
Yeah. So this one is perfect. That one just had an epic fail. Alright, alright. I hear it coming.
Hear it. Happy New Year!
Yep, this is going to be my elevator video of 2015. The beginning of 2015.
Yep, your first elevator video for 2015.
Right. Yep, let's go back down. Door close button seems to work.
David, this elevator is huge.
Okay. Is it me or that says 3?
It says 3.
Okay. There's only 2 levels really.
Happy New Year. Oh.
Finally, we're at 1. Go back up.
Okay, let the people exit. David, of this show how big the elevator is.
Yeah, this is really huge.
Look, show
10,000 pounds. Really huge cab and an epic motor. Really epic motor.
Look, this is as big as a playground.
Yep, this could be as big as a playground. Okay, you're really silly. Stop doing that. Alright, we're going out of here. Alright, just watch the elevator door close. You know what, let's just go back down. I think... Yeah, just go back down. Yep.
Where's Mom?
I think she went downstairs. Alright, here we go.
Look, many people can see how far we are.
Yeah, you can see how big this elevator is by just how far we are right now.
I'm doing it again.
Stop it.
David, get
No, stop it.
Okay.
Alright, we're here.
A lollipop stick. It's a lollipop stick.
Oh, disgusting. Alright, let's go.
Wait, let's get the door.
Just wait for the door to close.
Mommy, get the door closed.
This elevator's gonna close right now. There it goes. Alright, there's the elevator that's working, and there's the epic fail elevator. And here's the machine room. Right, there are the 2 elevators at the IKEA store, and that's it.